here's an example, Jonathan. You can say, well, what I thought was this.
Yeah.
Or you can say, would like to open it up for discussion.
The marketing program here at Gateway Technical College is a great experience for students who want to learn about businesses, products, advertising, selling, and promotion. Students leave ready for the real world and to work for companies here in our area.
One of the benefits with Gateway itself is that interactiveness and those soft skills and learning how to speak with people and how to use the education that you're getting to become ready for the business world.
In some of the marketing classes here at Gateway, students will do case study analysis where they will have a real scenario from business and they have to solve it. So it's a little bit of discussion and then application.
That hands-on is really valuable. If you're sitting with a CEO, a B2B CEO, and it's your first time, but you've practiced it. So you learn how to manage yourself and function professionally.
They will also write marketing plans and do ad campaigns and promotion campaigns. They'll work with technology here that they can then take with them for their careers, and that's so important for them to be exposed to that.
You're going to see it when you graduate, and you're going to see it now, because if you have a job in marketing, you have to use those strategies to be able to be successful.
The instructors at Gateway Technical College have worked in their fields. Some are even business owners, so they bring that experience into the classroom.
Carrie and all the teachers in the marketing program have drove me to success. I already got a couple job offers, and I'm not even done with school yet.
Marketing really challenges students to use their communication skills, interact with people. So important about brands and products today. It's an exciting opportunity for students to learn more about and to get an excellent career in as they move forward.